In this video, I am going to share a best home remedy to get radiant, younger looking skin without any wrinkles, dark spots and fine lines. This will make you a 16-year-old girl no matter your age. This works better than Botox. The experts claim that a good skincare regimen can keep you looking young and vibrant, slowing the signs of aging. Before we go ahead with this simple mask, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Ingredients: banana peel. The banana peel is a useful tool for reducing acne, delays the appearance of signs of aging, remove pigmentation as it contains vitamin C, E, potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese. Rice. Rice makes the skin glowing, prevents aging, soothes sun damage and brightens the skin complexion. Cornstarch. Cornstarch treats wrinkles and makes the skin glowing. Milk powder. Milk powder works wonderfully to lighten and brighten the skin. It moisturizes the skin and removes pigmentation. Lemon juice. It is effective to reduce age spots and dark spots. Lemon can help brighten and lighten your skin. How to prepare. First we need to take a banana and peel it. Then cut the banana peel into small slices. Now take a saucepan and put the banana peels into it and add 1 tablespoon of rice. Also add a cup of water. Put the pan on the stove and boil it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Now grind all the ingredients in a mixer. Grind it until we get a smooth mixture. Then filter the mixture using a strainer. And add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk and mix all the ingredients well. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix well. Our face cream is ready. You can keep this mixture in a small glass jar and store it in the refrigerator for 1 week. Apply this cream on your face and neck and leave this on the skin for about 30 minutes. Then rinse your face with lukewarm water. Use this recipe daily for 1 week. Then you can apply your daily moisturizer. You will notice the best result from the first use itself. Your skin look radiant by providing moisture throughout the day while fighting off wrinkles and fine lines. You will get a tight, smooth, clear and glowing skin within a week. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you tap the thumbs up button for this video and consider subscribing for more skincare contents.